What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're going to be going over Shiba Inu today because I got to talk about something happening inside Shiba Inu. As you can see over here in the oscillator, it shows that we were a little bit oversold on this drop, and now it's going on some bullish pressure because now we have less selling volume and now more buying volume is about to come in. But we're going to be discussing this later on in the video. So anyways, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. It'll really help me out a lot. It'll help the channel out a lot. And it'll just help out the growth of the channel a lot. I'm definitely going to be getting a new camera. So then this camera can be, good quality. This is only like 720p webcam, but I'm going to be getting the camera, stream deck. I'm going to be getting a new mic, all that good stuff. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. It'll really help out your trading and your analysis. And anyways, definitely use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off on that. And let's get straight to the video. Now, as you can see, the market control, 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 80%, showing that Shiba Inu is 80% bearish right now. But over here, you can see there is a reversal happening here in the oscillator. So you can see the reversal started right back here up, the chance of reversal going on to the uptrend. Now, the green areas are the supply and demand areas showing more demand. The red areas are the demand areas showing less demand. So what we can see here with Shiba Inu is on the oscillator here, this red area here shows selling volume. Now it's going up here into a bullish movement because the selling volume actually lessened. So we had heavy selling going on right up here. Like earlier on in the day, we had heavy selling, and now we're kind of starting to level that out. And now we're having less selling here, which is showing a bullish movement. So this is pretty much our chance of a reversal here. We're probably going to go up on the uptrend from here. And whether this uptrend is going to be short-lived or long-lived, I don't know. Nobody knows that, but it does show that we are about to go on an uptrend here. It could be temporary or it could be, for more of a long term. But anything can happen here with the uptrend. So definitely expect to see some buying coming in through Shiba Inu. Definitely expect to see some people with the buy the dip mentality. But anyways, over here, this is our supply and demand showing more demand. Whenever we get to green areas, we usually go up on an uptrend. Look, second we got to this green area here, uptrend. Second we got to the green area here, uptrend. Second we got to the green area here, uptrend. Here, uptrend. Here, uptrend. And then right here, if we can create another green supply demand area, then this will be another uptrend here. And you can see on the oscillator, the green area is actually starting to form up here on the oscillator. So that is my technical analysis from my perspective. Let's kind of go over other people's perspective here. So over here, you can see Shiba Inu price analyst, Shib facing a critical support, but are bears exhausted. So Shib's price fell yesterday all the way down to the next support level of 0.00004. So it is now up to the bulls to stop it from falling lower. So our key support levels is 4 zeros and then 4 and then 4 zeros and then 3 2. So our key resistance levels would be 4 zeros 50, 4 zeros 55. So those are the key levels that we have here now. Now it looks like we're trying to get up to here to the next resistance levels. So I definitely want to mention that over here you can definitely see with the what am I trying to say here? The resistance levels, yes, the 0.00045 or the 50 resistance levels is next up. We're at the 4810 area. So whether or not we break out is completely up to the trading volume. It's completely up to all that volume there. So hopefully we can get up there with some big trading volume with Shiba Inu. Now I do want to mention a few things here with like outside of the technicals, but first let's go over some technical indicators that we have for Shiba Inu. So Shib price fell down yesterday about 15% from the critical support area of the 50 area, and now that's going to be acting as our resistance pretty much. So right now you can see the price retest the strength of the support at the 4.4 area, and that's pretty much what we did way back here. We had to retest that strength, but we didn't go all the way down to the 4.4. We went down to the 4.6 area. So let's keep moving on here with Shiba Inu. So over here, failure to defend this critical support can encourage bears to take Shib much lower. So technical indicators, volume has remained relatively low despite this last drop in price. This may be a sign of exhaustion from bears, which could be interpreted as bullish if they fail to break below the key support. So over here, you can definitely see the volume is way lower here for Shiba Inu. You can see even the selling is getting lower. And over here in the oscillator, we're starting to form up that green supply and demand area showing more demand, like I said earlier. And yeah, the selling is definitely, or the volume is definitely starting to slow up, because when you look at the volume way back here, it was huge volume. lots of overbought areas, lots of oversold areas. Now we're just seeing overselling happening right now. So that's pretty much what we're seeing here with Shiba Inu. Now the RSI on the 4-hour chart time frame is making a bullish divergence with a higher low, despite the fact that the price fell lower yesterday compared to November 10th. This reinforces the case that Shib's correction may come to an end unless the broad crypto market continues to fall. So I do want to mention something about the broader crypto market. Like everything's down, like everything's going down huge. All the Bitcoin people are going crazy. They're like, oh my gosh, Bitcoin selling out. They're being Bitcoin pansies. You got the Ethereum also going down too. You got the Ethereum fanboys also, scared for their lives holding their Ethereum. Like, and you got Cardano fanboys over here, 10% down inside the last 7 days with Cardano. So yeah, all these different cryptos are down. They are trying to recover right now, but I'm probably I'm a little bit not bearish here, but I definitely think we're going to continue to go down a little bit more. Now, could be 20%. Some people are saying 30 to 40% drops. So you just got to think about what that would bring us down to here inside all these other coins, and then kind of compare the same thing to Shiba Inu. If the whole broader crypto market continues to go down, Shib will go down with it. So then we'll see lower highs pretty much. And that's pretty much expected if the whole broader crypto market continues to go down. So that's what we have here. So anyways, here are the indicators that they're pretty much talking about. We got the support here with Shiba Inu. And I know it's not that clear, so it doesn't really matter that much. But just know that the 4-5 area is key for our support, and 4-4, and then the 3-2 area is key support. And then now our key resistance is at the 5-0 area and the 5-5 area. So those are what we are looking at for our technical indicators here. Now, anyways, the bias on Shib is neutral at this point. So the price action also appears to have formed a larger descending triangle with the base sitting at the key support. A breakout from this triangle will flip this bias bullish for bearish depending on which way Shib price decides to go next. So yes, we are on a descending triangle here, which does show some bearish movement. And if you look over here, you can see it clear as day. If I take off these indicators, the vital algo technical indicators, but as you can see, let me go ahead and draw this out for you all here. So you can pretty much see that we are going down here on a descending triangle here. So this is just something that we all knew was going to happen. Like every time we have some good stuff going on in crypto, we always have to hit a retracement period, a pullback. This is all it is. It's a pullback. It's a retracement period. That's literally all this is. This happens all the time in crypto. We always have these pullbacks. We always have these retracement periods. I know this descending triangle isn't the perfect descending triangle that I'm drawing here, but we're always going to have these type of pullbacks inside of any kind of crypto, really any crypto. Like all of them are always going to have pullbacks after they have huge rises in price, especially because when Bitcoin starts pulling back, everything starts pulling back because the same whales in Bitcoin are the same whales inside these altcoins. Not all of the whales, but a big majority of those whales are also inside these altcoins. So when they see Bitcoin sell out, they sell out of the altcoins as well. So that's exactly what's going on here. Now, we are at the end of this descending triangle, and pretty much what happens at the end of the descending triangle. It could either go either way after this. If we continue to have selling pressure, then we end up going down on the downside. If we continue to have more buying pressure after this, then we could continue to go up on upside. And like I showed over here, the selling pressure is actually starting to lessen over here. It's actually starting to get smaller and smaller, and it shows that we're actually about to go on a bullish movement here. So anything had to happen. It could go down, it could go up. Right now, with the oscillator showing the volume going more on the upside, showing that it was oversold and going onto a bullish movement, that pretty much says it's going to be positive and that we're going to go on an uptrend. That's what those indicators are saying. But remember, they're just indicators. Indicators can be invalidated by overselling, pretty much. It could be invalidated by that. So if we get more FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the crypto market, that's what we'll see. If we get some support from the broader market, Bitcoin starts doing better, Ethereum, all that good stuff, then we'll have a rise to the moon like before. So anyways, remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I just got to go over all the good stuff we got fundamentally going on with Shib as well. So Samsung-backed crypto wallet service Zengo adds Shiba Inu to its platform. So that's just pretty big right here. Now, Zengo, a Samsung-backed cryptocurrency wallet service, said it has added the meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu to their platform now. So now we got a new listing here. So yeah, Zengo made the announcement on Twitter. This is Zengo right here. As you can see, spread the news, Shib Army and Satoshi Kusama Shib token is now available on Zengo. So big stuff going on over here. Big stuff going on. So lots of money now going to be flowing through Zengo into Shiba Inu. Now Zengo only has 10,000 followers, but you got to think about it. It's backed by Samsung. Samsung is pretty big, and the fact that Samsung is getting into crypto, that's pretty huge because Samsung goes big with everything they do. So shout out to Samsung. You all know that Samsung is one of the best companies as well. For like phones and stuff like that. I'm not going to put down the Apple users out there, but I'm pretty big on Android out here with the Samsung Galaxy. So let's just be completely honest. Samsung is definitely better than Apple. I'm just going to say that there. They are definitely better Android. I prefer Android over iPhones. Android, they just fundamentally run better. They have better mechanics. They have, I'm just ranting here with this, but iPhone, they're not as good as Samsung Galaxy. I'm just going to say that there. Samsung Galaxy is 100% better than the iPhone. Hands down. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you think the iPhones are better than, the Galaxy, because not all Androids are created equal. I don't know about the newest iPhone, the iPhone 13, I think it is now. But look, man, they're making a new iPhone like every single month now. Like every single other month, they're making a new iPhone. The Galaxy is still rolling, and it's still rolling good. So anyways, let's move on. So it's an Israel-based company. That's what Zengo is. And they also said in a blog post that its users could now buy, send, and receive and trade Shiba Inu tokens directly from its platform. So Zengo is a keyless, non-custodial wallet, which means that the user, rather than the company, remains in control of the user's cryptocurrencies, and Zengo's wallets are generated with the help of 3D facial biometrics. So they have a lot of security protocols on there. Now, Zengo said in April that it raised $20 million in a Series A funding round. So Samsung's next venture, the venture capital said on Samsung was one of the notable investors. So Samsung Next, I don't know what that is, but I still am pretty big with Samsung. So just because I don't know what Samsung Next is doesn't mean nothing. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing here with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu coin faces reversion worthy of parabolic rise. So we could see some parabolic rise, or we could see parabolic downtrends. It just all depends on what happens inside the overall crypto market at this point. Because if we get more FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in crypto, then we're going to get more downtrends. But yeah, anyways, we got a lot of stuff that we had to go over today. So this video is getting a little bit longer. So I'm going to end up, stopping it short here now. But I just do want to mention here with our holders, what we're doing here with holders. You can see 974,373 holders today. Yesterday we had 970,000. So we got about 4,000 people today. But look, from 974,373, hit the refresh button. Now let's let it load up, if it'll load up at all. 974 to 540. So yeah, we just got a couple hundred people invested into Shiba Inu within like the past 10 or so minutes of us making this video. So big stuff going on there. And yeah, shout out to the whole Shib army. Shout out to everyone out there helping Shiba Inu grow. Yeah, shout out to everyone out there. But anyways, hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And if you also want me to go over anything, let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely do that eventually. I do have a lot on my plate right now, so it's going to take me a while to get through all that stuff. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.